Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a polynomial and we have to write it in its factorized form. So the polynomial is 72 x cube y plus 120 x cube y cube. So this is our term number 1 and this is term number 2. Now if we carefully observe both the terms, then you can see, or rather you can observe, that x cube y or 24x cube y is common in both the terms. So let's take it out from the term. So 24x cube y multiplied by, see, if we divide 24x cube y by the term 1, then it will produce 3, and similarly if the term 2 is divided by 24x cube y, then we will have 5y square. So this will be our final answer because we can't simplify it any further. So this is our final required answer. Thank you.